Roses, chocolates, and love songs. But is anyone still feeling the Valentine's Day magic? Has the day of love lost its spark? Or is it just evolving with the times? Join me, Lady D Denise Gomez Green, on Center Stage Inside of the Zone on YouTube from 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. on Thursday, February 6th for an interesting topic at 7 p.m. in Open Segment. Is Valentine's Day still popular? Are we celebrating love the old-fashioned way? Or has social media, busy schedules, and changing relationship trends rewritten the rules? I want to hear from you. Call 914-297-8911. Drop a comment or take or poll. Log on to Inside of the Zone YouTube channel and be a part of the conversation. It's all happening on Inside the Zone, Center Stage, Thursday, February 6th at 7 p.m. Don't miss it.